ATMIS Forward Operation Base has been very key in curtailing the Al-Shabaab activities within this region. Being a port town, it has managed to block both export and import of unwanted items into this region.
We thank our Kenyan brothers present in Somalia because they came here, Somalia, to liberate us from the terrorist groups who are enemy to us and to also KDF and the entire African brothers and also the international community also. As we all aware, Somalia is now getting better. The momentum of our army is clear and everybody can see.
anaga marka ninkii wadanka u dhashay baa la rabaa inuu wadankiisa macnaha qabsado waxaan u nahay diyaar inaan la wareegno xeradan amniga anaga aan soo naka Soomaaliya dawlad baa ka jirta xoog badan ma sha Allah waa isku filannahay cidina caawisana way maasan tahay